YouTube, welcome back guys. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is the first pair of Crocs that I'm gonna do unbox. Well, actually double unboxing, okay? So let me give you a story real quick about this is for my mom that she purchased. It says buy one shoes for $75 and get a second pair for $20. So the second pair, they didn't have the size for her, so she had to order it. And then I guess it's free shipping. She didn't tell me anything about getting charged on the shipping fee. So anyway, and she bought a $8 bottle of water and stain protector. So I told her she should not buy this because it's just a waste of money. This one, it protects leather, suede, and nubuck. This is the 5-ounce, 140 gram for $8. Okay, well, this is kind of better than the Crep Protect. Crep Protect, similar size, got charged $15, which was a waste of money. So this one protect water and stain protector. So I might have to help her to spray this on her new shoes. So anyway, I just kind of give you guys what she purchased. Anyway, let's go ahead and get this unboxed. I'm gonna unbox the first pair. I mean, I don't even know what she got. So I'll give you guys a 360 view of the box real quick. It says Crocs. I know Crocs are very expensive, and she got this at the outlet store too, so hopefully she got a deal. So I said regular price is $79.99, so I guess it was on sale for $75 the first pair. Second pair is only $20. And this is US size 6. This is a woman's size. And this is a Sally quartz. I guess that's a brand. Sand Nubuck. And on the bottom, just say something about recycle. So I'm just gonna hold it on the outsole, okay? Because I haven't sprayed anything on there, and then I don't want to get my oil my finger onto the material. So it says a collection by Clark. Soft cushioning. So she likes it because it's pretty light, and then you got this cushioning, and right here is like a Velcro strap with the elastic. Wait, is it elastic? Nope, not elastic. Just a Velcro adjustable strap. And on the front, you got this 3 at the buckle. You could have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the middle, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes on the toward your forefoot. And it says clock on the bottom. And this is the other side. So you got like a 1, 2, 3, 4 ventilation on each side. Nice aesthetic design. So you got those ventilation holes. And there's like 1, 2, 3, 4 lines of the ventilation holes right there as well. So this color is pretty nice, even for my taste. So let's jump into the next one. So what do you guys think? The clocks, this worth about $75 for one pair. Come on. So somehow this box is bigger. It says clock shoemaker since 1825, Somerset, England. Okay. So I'm not sure why they need to change the marking on there. Hopefully it's the same one. This is a size 6. So this one is a black color. I believe it's the same size. I mean, the same style. It's a hole right here. Oh man, come on. So this one wrapped up pretty nice. Wow. So you got a black and then black also. The other one's more like a beige or tannish or tan color. Seems like this one has been tried on or what? So this one, somehow the cushioning is different. The buckle design is the same. Got the vent right here, it's the same. Because right here you got so many ventilation holes right there on both sides. The other one just right around this area. And the lines over here for ventilation is kind of different as well. There's no plastic bag. Lucky I have the flash on because black is hard to see in details. Yeah, there's totally different style on the I'm not sure if they changed manufacturer or what is this. Just tear right away. There's a padded right here in the midsection on the back of the foot. And right here is kind of curved in. So I'm not sure if this, and the way the inner design, it is totally different. So hopefully she's okay with the shoes. If not, then she might have to return it. The outsole looks the same pattern and everything, just a different color. But somehow on the insole, it is different. So anyway, hopefully you guys like this video. Give a thumbs up and then subscribe to the channel if you haven't do so yet. Be sure to hit that bell for notification and drop any on the comments on below. I'd like to share any of the discount that we got. I'd like to share with the viewers. So if you buy one pair of this for 75 bucks, you get a second pair for 20 bucks. So anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace out.